Welcome to Data Muallem. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified for more interesting videos. In Power BI, you can create official packaged content and then distribute it to a broad audience as an app. Your business users often need multiple Power BI dashboards, reports, and other content to run their business. You can create multiple audiences for your app and show or hide different content for each audience. Microsoft provides a set of apps in the app marketplace, which we can use and connect our data. So let us see how we can add these apps from the app marketplace. Click on the apps from the left menu to show all the apps. And then click on Get Apps. You will see a list of apps available to use such as Google Analytics, Salesforce Analytics, LinkedIn Analytics, and so on. Once you click on any of the apps, you can see an option, Get It Now. Click on that. And then click on Install. The app will be installed, and once that is done, it will ask to provide the connection details. The app is successfully installed. Go to the app and provide connection details. As the app contains sample data, we need to enter our connection details to fetch production data. Now let us create our app from the existing reports. Go to your desired workspace and click on Create App from the top right corner. Now enter all the details. Change the app name and write a short description. We can add a logo to the app as well. We can change the contact information to a specific name, or we can show the app publisher name itself. Also, we can install the app automatically for everyone in the organization. And we can provide a support link for any app-related help. Now let us move next to add the content. In content, we can add a report, dashboard, or an external link. But before that, add sections which will act as a folder system. Now let us add the reports and dashboards and move them to Reports section. Once reports are added to the content of this app, we can add support links such as documents, presentations, videos, and so on. Let me add a link to view the raw data and a presentation as an example. Provide the link name and URL. I will paste an Excel file link here. Open in is very important actually. New tab will open a new page once we click on that. Current tab will open on the same page, but outside the app. Content area will open on the page, and within the app itself. I will show a demo later in this video for all other options. For now, let us select Content area. Let me add another link of a SlideShare presentation in the same way. Also select the section where we need this to allocate. We are now ready to publish the app with all the required content. But before that, another very important thing is to create audience groups. Click Next. To create an audience, select New Audience. In the Manage Audience Access pane, specify groups or users to add to the current audience group. Double-click the default audience label to change the audience name. Select the Hide or Show icon next to each item in the workspace to determine the content that this app audience can see. For example, here I am hiding the Field Parameters report for the Data Muallem audience group. And for the Viewer audience group, I am hiding the Raw Data section. In this way, we can control the content and create many groups based on the access. As we are done with all the steps to create the app, let's publish it. Click on Publish button in the bottom right corner. Click Publish. The app is published. We can view the app by clicking on Go to App. And there we go. The app looks amazing with all these contents. But remember, only members with Pro or Premium subscriptions can create the apps and access and publish them. As I said earlier, let us see the types of open-in options available. First is the content area. When we select the content area as an open-in option, this will happen. Next is the current tab. When we select the current tab as an open-in option, it opens on the same page, but outside the app itself. The last one is the content area. When we select the content area as an open-in option, it opens on the app. We can see here when I clicked on the presentation it opened on the content of the app. Now let us move to the other options like featuring the app and unpublishing the app. We have 3 features. Endorsing the app. Featuring the app on the home page. Unpublish the app. We can endorse the app to our colleagues to promote it to be used further. We can also officially certify the app. And also feature the app at home. Try these nice features in your apps as well. Unpublish an app. Any admin or member of a workspace can unpublish the app. This action uninstalls the app for everyone who has published it to, and they no longer have access to it. This action doesn't delete the workspace or its contents. There are a few limitations to using Power BI apps. As follows. We can create up to 10 audience groups per app. Newly added content to an already published app is marked as invisible. Apps can have a maximum of 200 dashboards. I have added a link in the description to access all the limitations. Please go through it before using it. In this way, we can use Power BI apps with more security and accessibility. Stay tuned and subscribe for more exciting videos. Also, comment below on which topic you would like to see my next video. Hope you liked this video. If you have, please click on the like button. Thanks for watching.